Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're looking at what happens when someone breaks a contractual promise, and money alone simply isn't enough to fix the situation. This brings us to the equitable remedy of specific performance, a powerful tool in cases where a breach of contract leaves you without something unique or irreplaceable. Let's imagine a familiar scenario. You've agreed to buy a particular property. You've signed the contract, sorted out the finances, and already started imagining life in your new home. Then, just when everything seems settled, the seller suddenly refuses to complete the sale. Maybe they've had second thoughts or received a higher offer. Whatever the reason, you're left without the property you set your heart on. This isn't just a financial setback, it's the loss of something you simply cannot replace. In situations like this, the law offers more than just damages. You may be able to ask the court for specific performance. This is where the court steps in and orders the defaulting party to carry out the exact obligation they promised under the contract. Instead of paying compensation, they are required to complete the sale or perform the contractual duty in question. Specific performance is rooted in fairness. It recognizes that there are times when money cannot fully put things right, but it's also a remedy the courts use carefully. Damages remain the usual response to a breach of contract because they're easier to enforce and don't require ongoing court involvement. Specific performance is reserved for exceptional circumstances, usually where the subject matter of the contract is unique. Land is, the classic example. Every property is considered unique in English law. If a seller refuses to complete, the buyer is often able to seek specific performance because, no amount of money can guarantee an equivalent replacement. The same may apply to rare goods, bespoke items, or assets with special significance. If you can't simply buy another one, the court may decide that enforcing the original promise is the fairest outcome. However, there are boundaries. The courts will not order specific performance where the contract terms are uncertain or impossible to carry out. They also avoid enforcing contracts that involve personal services or close working relationships, because, honestly, doing so would create tension and require supervision. The remedy is designed to promote fairness, not force ongoing cooperation where it would be impractical or oppressive. For clients, understanding specific performance can be crucial when faced with a breach of contract. It can shape your legal strategy, strengthen your negotiating position, and help you secure the outcome you were originally promised. When something truly matters, this remedy can be the difference between walking away with compensation and actually receiving what you contracted for. At Blackstone Solicitors, we advise clients on whether specific performance is available, practical, and worth pursuing. Every case turns on its facts, and we're here to guide you through the options with clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.